You're watching Lights Camera Cricket. I am Sushant Mehta. The big match tonight: Virat Kohli, RCB, Royal Challengers Bangalore versus KL Rahul, Kings 11 Punjab. We will get you the lowdown on that big game coming up tonight. But first, the big question: should captains have the power to review wides and waist-high full tosses? Remember, in the Chennai Super Kings versus Sunrisers Hyderabad game, the second ball of the 19th over, a very crucial moment in the game, it seemed like umpire Paul Rifle, who was all set to signal a wide, did not go ahead with the decision after MS Dhoni protested. Well, for the first time, Sunrisers Hyderabad captain David Warner speaks out. Have a look at this exclusive special report by India Today.
Here we go. Oh, John! He's gone! We are going to a super over! Yes.
When it's IPL, stakes are just too high. Every run matters, every inch matters, and every decision matters. Players surely are under pressure, and so are the umpires, especially with some glaring howlers that have been committed by the on-field officials. Now, 3 of the IPL captains, including Virat Kohli, have come out in open to seek further improvement in the system.
This is the last ball. That was the last ball of the match. And it is not called. Oh dear.
Virat and his team were at the receiving end last year, and as always, the skipper did not hide his emotion.
As a captain, I would like to have the ability to review a wide, which could be a wrong call. Or a waist-high full toss, which could be a wrong call. Because we've seen historically how big these small things can be in such a high-profile tournament such as IPL and in general T20 cricket, because it's so fast-paced and you can miss small margins. And I think we've all seen that that is a big factor. And I'm sure you guys have discussed it. We have discussed it internally. It should
very true. I mean, if that rule comes in, it's very good. Like, you give teams 2 reviews and say you can use it for whatever you want.
T20 player. And that's it. Well, at the toss, he said, we're a little bit rusty.
Virat's opposite number from Kings 11 Punjab, KL Rahul, echoed similar sentiments, and why not? Rahul is expected to feel let down by the umpires, especially in this day and age of technology when umpires ruled a perfect run as short, which Kings 11 would feel may have cost them a game against Delhi Capitals.
And that'll be game over. That will be game over.
And the way Paul Rifle seemed to have changed his decision at the last moment after a strong reaction from MS Dhoni has raised more concerns over the quality of umpiring in UAE.
I think Paul Rifle was going to call a wide, and
I just think the other day with MS, at that point, I know he would have been frustrated if it was called a wide, but the simple fact was it was a wide. The umpire was going to call a wide, and he changed his mind by looking at the opposition captain's body language. But at the end of the day, they can make their calls how they make the calls, and we just got to respect that. So there's no point of arguing. Can't take it back.
There has been no umpire ever who hasn't made a bad call. But the question is, if there is technology available, why not get the perfect or near perfect results? Sports Bureau, India Today.
Right, Boria Majumdar, listen, we already have so much technology, we're dependent on technology. You really want to take out the human element of the game as well now? This means we are moving towards no umpires in the game.
Sushant, if you are doing it for the no ball, the front foot no ball, then why are you stopping halfway? If you are doing it for front foot no ball, then do it for the wide. Because if that one run or that one ball, remember Kings 11 lost by 2 against, in that particular match that Glenn Maxwell hit. If such a thing happens in an international contest or an IPL final, what will you say? You will say, oh, you know what, that wide ball. You know what, that extra ball. So if you are doing the front foot no ball, what is the difference between a front foot no ball and that ball, you tell me? So for me, either you don't stop short and you go the full distance, or you don't do it at all. Do not do halfway.
All right. Let's move on now. Very exciting conversation we've got for you. Exclusively Virat Kohli in conversation with KL Rahul. Remember, it's the big game tonight, Kings 11 Punjab, RCB. Here's Virat in conversation with KL Rahul.
You spoke about captaincy. So my next question is based on that. You guys have played well and you've had some close games. As a captain, how do you prepare for the next one? And what do you tell the boys? What's your communication with the boys like? What is the message?
Yes. See, I think since it's my first time doing this, whatever I know about captaining is from the guys I've played under, from playing under you, playing under Maibai, and whatever I've seen, and how you guys pull the team together, and how you guys motivate, or how you try to run the team is what I've learned, and I've tried to do pretty much the same thing, and I've tried to stay as balanced as I can in victory and in loss. And I think it's important. What I've learned in the first 7 games is that winning and losing is part of the game, but it's important as a leader to just make sure that everybody's still having fun, and everybody knows what they're doing right, and also knows what are the things that we need to improve on. So yeah, it's been good learning for me. I think I'm growing with leadership also. It helps individually grow a lot more faster, and it's been quite a learning, quite a roller coaster so far, but it's just taking it as it comes and trying to keep the guys in a good state of mind where anything can happen. And we know I always keep telling the team our 2016 year with RCB, we were in a pretty similar position. We had to win all games, so weird things and funny things have happened in the game, so you just need to keep believing in that, and keep telling your players also to believe that things can turn around anytime.
Okay, cool. So if you had a chance, what is that one rule you would like to change in the T20 format to your advantage? You go first, then I'll mention something after.
I think to start off, I would ask IPL to ban you and AB for next game. Once you've achieved like certain numbers, certain amount of runs, I think the people should say just enough. Okay, once you've got 5,000 runs in IPL, okay, bus. Now you guys let the other guys do.
What's the preparation like for tomorrow?
I mean, like I said, it's like every game for us from now on becomes very, very important.
Don't give me this general press conference.
No, it is. I mean, I don't know. See, look, I don't. We've tried to. That's been the general chat here. I mean, to win every game that we can, and just helps knowing that the only game we won is against RCB. So we will. We will come in with a little bit of confidence, and it'll be fun. I mean, I've always enjoyed playing with RCB and against RCB. Looking forward to one more cracker tomorrow.
You do know that that's our worst loss as well this season, and we are trying to rectify that.
Yeah, I know. I'm just hoping that some of your fielders can drop a couple more catches, and we can.
I'm going in the same position as last time we played. I'm going into the same positions, by the way. So you might want to think twice before hitting it in the air again.
Right, Boria Majumdar, who's winning tonight, RCB or Kings 11 Punjab?
See, RCB obviously has much better balance. See, but it will all depend on those two guys and that big man. If the Gale Storm hits the competition, it's different. But KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal the key. But overall, RCB way better balance in the bowling department. विराट कोहली के खिलाफ बॉल करोगे, ये थोड़ा सा बताओ. How are you preparing to bowl against the greatest of the current generation?
बिल्कुल वो भी जैसे ग्रेटेस्ट, अभी आप बिल्कुल सही बता रहे हैं, अभी लिविंग लेजेंड है, अभी बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं सारे फॉर्मेट में. तो उनके अगेंस्ट यही प्रिपरेशन है कि मैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया, मैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं छोड़ू. वो जो ट्राई करेंगे वो अच्छा लगे, वो चलेगा. एक अच्छी बॉल को छक्का मारते हैं या कुछ भी करते हैं तो वो चलेगा. अगर मैं अपनी तरफ से उनको लूज बॉल नहीं दूंगा तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. और मेरा यही रहेगा कि मैं उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा बांध के रखूं, ज्यादा उनको हाथ खोलने का मौका नहीं दूं.
और विराट कोहली का विकेट उस दिन ले लिया तो रात को बल्ले बल्ले.
बिल्कुल वो तो सोने पे सुहागा.
जैसे सचिन तेंदुलकर जी हैं बल्लेबाजी में इंडियन टीम के लिए, इंडियन क्रिकेट के लिए, वैसे अनिल कुंबले जी भी हैं. तो आप ऑफ द फील्ड कैसे अपने आप को प्रिपेयर रखते हैं, वो चीजों पे कभी आपने डिस्कशन किया उनके साथ?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, यही जैसे मैं उनसे अनिल सर से बात होती है, जैसे राहुल भैया से बात होती है, सबसे बात होती है, बस वही है कि आप अपने प्रोसेस पे ध्यान दीजिए और आप ज्यादा रिजल्ट का ना सोचें कि आपको ये करना है, बहुत जल्दी में ये करना है। बस ये अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को बैक करना, मेन तो ये है कि आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को बैक करते रहे कि आप ये उस टाइम पे ये कर सकते हैं, तो आप उस टाइम जो आपके माइंड में आता है वो कर लीजिए। अनिल सर से मेरी बार बात होती है कि जो तुझे लगता है वो तू कर सकता है तो वो करना उसी टाइम, उसके बाद रिग्रेट नहीं करना कि यार मैं वो कर सकता था और मैंने नहीं किया। वो सारी चीजें जैसे अपन कभी सोचते हैं यार मैं कर सकता था पर नहीं कर, मन में रहता है यार नहीं करते हैं, अभी बाद में करेंगे या फिर बाद में एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, पर उनसे वो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। वो हमेशा ही कहते हैं आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ बैक कीजिए और बेसिक पे ध्यान दीजिए, बस वो सारी चीजें वो बहुत कुछ हेल्प कर रही है मेरे भी।
And I'll leave you with our Maruti Suzuki Ignis stylish player of the match from that thriller between Delhi Capitals and Rajasthan Royals last night. It's Anrik Nortje. 2 wickets for just 33 runs and he was outstanding. He bowled out, clean bowled. Joss Butler, who was on fire, he's an assassin to say the least. And then Robin Uthappa at a very crucial stage in the game. He was lethal, very fast. 156 kilometers per hour, guys. That's 96 miles per hour. Well, that's our stylish player of the match. I'll see you tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. only on Lights, Camera, Cricket.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.